we turn over the sheet, you can see number 6, it says attaching the battery clip. Now you can power your speaker via either using batteries, as you can see here, a battery wire, a 9-volt battery, or you can use a plug socket, which means you can actually use a USB, which is just simply uses a normal charging socket. So you can actually plug this into the wall and have it as a plug. And so the USB would then plug into any old phone charger that you have laying around, and you can plug it into the wall and power it that way. So this first video is going to show you how to do if you want to use the battery wire. So here's the battery wire here. Now the battery wire needs to have a switch to turn it on and off, because you don't want to waste the battery when you're not using it. So here's the switch here. You can see you've got 3 rows of connections there. What we need to do is just take the red wire from the battery and then put it through the middle hole like that, and then put the switch in the holder. And you might need to get a friend to help you do this, because this is quite tricky, this is. So, as you can see, this is very tricky. Just melt some salt like that. I'm blowing on it just to make it cool down a little bit quicker, and that's one side. Now, then what we do is we cut ourselves a piece of red wire, just about 12 centimeters long. Use the wire strippers. I don't need resetting, just about half a centimeter off. And what the switch will do is, like I said, mean that you don't waste the batteries when you're not using the product. Third time lucky. Right. And twizzle that around like that. That's a bit long, that is. I'm just going to trim a little bit off it. So that goes through there like that. Again, this is very fiddly to do on your own, so perhaps get your partner to help you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you've got a red and a black wire here, which can be switched on and off. So if we look on our circuit board there, it says power. That's power. So the red wire and the black wire go through here. And I'll twizzle the red wires around. The black wire is already twizzled round, so you don't need to do that one. And the red, that goes into the positive one, so that goes in there. And then the black one goes into the minus one there. This is getting quite fiddly. I'll take the switch out. Let's press the black wire up again. So 1, 2, 3. And then, okay. If you think the wires are a little bit long, you can always just trim them off. And then turn it over, and then just pull back the slack on the wires like that. So you can see now you've got a battery, a switch, which will turn the circuit on and off, so not wasting the battery. Okay.